was hot today, so we had to open up the umbrella, huh? Oh, it's hot, isn't it? It is hot. Hi. Hi. Nemo, you want to come out and say hi to your fans? Hi, you want to come out, buddy? Say hello, beautiful. Hello, gorgeous. Hello. Hello, gorgeous. Hi. You want to come out? Hi. You want to come out and sing the song of your people? Whoopsie. Hey, Nemo. Hey, Ava. Hi, pretty boy. Hi. I love you. I love you. My baby. Kiss, kiss. My baby. Nemo. Hi, you coming out too, sweetie? Yeah? You kiss, kiss. I love you. Show everybody your pretty wings. Yeah. So beautiful. Where you going, Ava? Open your wings. Open your wings. Show everybody your beautiful wings. Nemo's like, what are you doing? There you go. There you go. Say hi. I'm Nemo and I'm Ava. Hi. You gonna stretch your wings? Hi. Sing a song of your people. Yeah. Yeah, sing the song of your people. That's right. That's right. So pretty. Sing a song of your people. Kiss, 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 kiss. Nemo, you give Ava a kiss? Hi. Oh, yeah. Ava's excited. Hi, Ava. Are you excited? Oh, what are you doing? You're so excited. Is Ava going in your cage? What are you doing, Ava? What are you doing, pretty girl? What you doing? Hi. Hi. Oh, it's a fly. Is that fly bothering you, baby girl? Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, you want to go back in your cage? Yeah? Was there a fly on you? Yeah, I love you. She squeezed my hand like, I love you, I want you. Hi, Nemo.